Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Happy Sunday. Today I'm doing a bloom on a small canvas. I want to play with some colors, working with my TLP again. I really want to get into some bigger blooms on some bigger canvases, but I'm still doing my practice test. But I really like the color choices for this, and I think it's going to really be kind of cool when I spin it out. So let's get down on the canvas. I'll show you the colors and we'll get started. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I've had a tough time in the studio today, so I am going to redo this again. I've already done this once. I was trying to do a deconstructed bloom, but I'm just not getting the tilt and the movement of the colors the way I want. So I definitely need to do some more practicing. But what I'm going to do today is I'm just going to go ahead and stick it back up here on the spinner. I'm going to do a traditional just one bloom on the canvas, and then I'm going to spin it out. Some gold. Red. Sapphire. Or excuse me, Constellation. That's the Taffy. Blue-green. I'm going to come back in here again with the same colors, same order. Let's give this sucker a little spin here. Put it on my board so I don't get wet. Then go back the other way. Okay guys, here we are with that results. All right, here we are with the dried result. Really love this color combination. It dried really well. And the center is just gorgeous. Look at that. All right, everyone, that's gonna do it. Really dried great. I love these colors, the cells and the lacing, the way it fans out. Really dried, really, really nice. So I will get some resin put on this, and I'm definitely going to use this color palette again because this is gorgeous. I really, really like that. So can you imagine what that's going to look like on a huge canvas? I would love to spin out a large canvas. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next week. And I think Kelly with Feral Art is next. So let's head on over to her channel. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.